Here's the indoor section of Trimpers. They have a lot of like 50s kids kiddie rides that are really cool. And then they have like these painted murals on the walls. And they have a, I think this is a 1912 Herschel Spillman carousel. It's one of the nicer carousels I've seen. There's some really good artwork on there. And it has like a rooster. It has some really weird ones. There's a dragon, an ostrich, a deer. Like that's not commonly seen on carousels. There's a I think that's a W.F. Mangles ride from the 50s or 40s. And then they have like a little kiddie Ferris wheel, like vintage trash cans. Bumper cars with like neon lights. Check this kiddie ride out. It's a boat ride and they have like theming around the side. That's pretty neat. They got like a whip ride. These are all like really old. I think most of these rides are from the 40s and 50s. This one's cool. It's a little miniature carousel. Yeah, they have funhouse mirrors over here. I can't even, like, we're too tall for that one. Yeah, that one's weird. That's the Coney Island mascot. This is one of the nicest ticket booths I've ever seen. I'm sure this was like originally like for the carousel or something. That's just my guess, I don't know.
I think that's even older than 1912.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe the carousel is older than that. I think it's 1912. Oh, okay, yeah, probably. That's probably like 1900s. Oh yeah, here's old pictures. And then they have a bunch of like old mirrors and stuff up here. Oh, nice.
Pretty kitschy.
Yeah. And then check out this kiddie train ride. This is kind of neat. It goes around this like themed area here. Goes under like in a cave. That's kind of neat. These creepy clown faces. Those are really old too. Trimpers has this old school shooting gallery that's been here since I was a kid and it hasn't changed at all. It's one of the coolest ones I've seen. This is like the coolest ride at the beach.
Wolf van Winterstein, and this is my home. The gloom and dreariness of my ancestral mansion is the result of many years of careful interior desecrating. We have filled Gloomhouse with surprises. Find yourself turned upside down, and perhaps inside out.
You must be feeling brave, my friends, to enter my domain. But I must warn you, those who trespass here are rarely seen again. But of course, it couldn't happen
favorite dark rides. Bill Tracy.
But don't let your mortal fears prevent you from venturing into its depths.
1964, Bill Tracy.
Protect you from the terrors that
I think this was originally at, there was another park in Ocean City called Ocean Park, and they moved it to here like in the 80s, I think. Yeah, I like this animatronic here, this is pretty cool. I believe this and the Pirates Cove are one of the only Bill Tracy attractions left. And here's the other Bill Tracy attraction, the Pirates Cove. This is a really good walkthrough. Like probably one of the best ones left in the world. Yeah, so I'll show you around Trippers really quick. It's not very big. Here's what they have. They have a spinning coaster. They have a Vekoma boomerang. That's pretty rough, but it's not too bad. I mean, I've been on worse. Merry Mixer. They have a Rollo plane up there. They have a Himalaya. One thing that I'm really mad about is they got rid of the Aladdin's Castle. I don't know why, but there used to be a really good fun house over there. It was Aladdin's Castle, and apparently they just got rid of it. And what replaced it? A Zamperla Rock and Tug. You gotta be kidding me. That's what replaced the Aladdin's Castle? A freaking Zamperla Rock and Tug? That's a joke. Like, that's an insult. But yeah, they have a classic 60s Himalaya. That's pretty cool. It's got all the classic artwork and stuff on it. So that's pretty cool. And they have this new, I think it's a Zamperla. It's kind of like the Enterprise, but it's made by Zamperla, surprisingly. It looks pretty good. And then across the street, they have a few more rides. It's mostly kiddie rides on this side, but they have one of those wacky worms. They have a Freak Out, and yeah, the rest is kiddie rides. But yeah, I showed you the inside. That's pretty good. I like the artwork on that. These Vekoma boomerangs are like really rough, so like keep your head pushed back, or like your neck, like keep your neck muscles like firm. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. All right. Look at the view. So we just got off the tidal wave Vekoma boomerang, and that was your first time, right? Did you like it? Was it rough?
Scary.
Yeah, those are really rough, but that one's actually not too bad. I've been on a lot worse. But yeah, I took the GoPro on there, and I have the chest mount. I had like a chest mount, and it doesn't have like shoulder straps, so like it like flipped over. Yeah, it flipped over while, I'll show you until it like flips, but yeah, it flipped over and then you can't see the rest. The Pirates Cove isn't open, which is really bumming me out. I wanted to get a video of that. I can't believe it's not open, but yeah, that's the way it goes sometimes.